Yo, what's up everyone? I'm Jackie YBT, Tech the Way, Tech Everything. Welcome back to the channel. And today's video is not something that I planned off. Yesterday I went to a mall and I found out this Cliptec mini power bank, which is 5000 milliamp power bank 2-in-1. And the deal is just too good to miss out, right? So been selling for 55 ringgit. But now they're doing clearance member rebates up to 70% off. So in the end, I got this power bank for only 16 ringgit and 50 cents. That's a really good deal, and it's something that I cannot miss out, right? Because of the size, right? I can bring this to places without worry about the weight and the size. It's something that I'm looking for. But then there's a caveat, which is no warranty for markdown product. So as it is, no exchange, no return. If anything happens to this product out of box, cannot use, I have to take the loss. Yeah, that's their policy, right? I mean, they discount for 70%. I guess that's justifiable. I'm not sure. Apparently, that this company, Cliptec, is a Malaysian company, which I never heard of. Cliptec is a Malaysian company known for manufacturing and distributing computer peripherals and consumer electronics, founded in 1999. Alright, so they make keyboard, mice, speakers, and various accessories. Not sponsored by them anyway. Just a disclaimer here. I'm not sponsored by them. I use my hard-earned cash to buy this. So without further ado, let's get straight into it. Cut it from the bottom, I guess. Don't want to destroy the box. Just need to find cut a small hole and then you can just rip it off. Okay. Okay, open from the bottom. There's an open tab here. Alright, open. Just drag it out. Okay, put it aside. Oh yeah, the packaging itself, red, gray, and white. The output is only 10 watts. Pretty slow. And you have LED digital display over here. The USB Type-C cable is the main cable built in, and the external cable is the lightning cable. And with a stand, it says a portable power bank with a stand. Let's see. Okay, 2 output, 1 input. So what you got in the box? Some manual guide, quick start guide. Yep. And you get the usual things, which is the USB Type A to Type C cable. I don't know why they put purple, inside this USB Type A port cable. Right? It's not even their signature color, but anyways, check it out. It's really small and very light. There's some dimension. Oh yeah, on the back you'll see product features: A+ grade 5000 milliamp lithium battery. You can bring this to airplane without any problem. 2 types of charging ports, Type C and Lightning, suitable for Android and iPhone, etc. Mini profile, easy to carry, simple ergonomic design. Yeah, all the terms and all their marketing words. Okay, so the capacity is 5000 milliamp, but the rated capacity is only 3600 milliamp. Right, it's very small, 5 watt, 2.1 mAh, so 10 watts for input and output. It's only 96 grams, plus minus 5 grams of difference variation. Very light, not even 100 grams. Dimension 80.5 mm, length 46.4 width mm, and 27.5 mm for the height. It only takes about 2 hours to finish fully charge this thing. Okay, take it out. you got the cover, which is okay. You can cover it up once you're not using it. Good thing to cover the USB Type-C output. Okay. Put it back, and of course the lightning cable. So after you finish using it, you can just put it back. It's a bit tight, so it might take some time to take it out. Okay, I think it's about maybe 10 cm length or 15 cm. It's a very short one. Okay, so let's take a close-up look at this Cliptec 5000 mAh 2-in-1 power bank, 10 watts power bank. So from the front, you can see the display itself, LED display, logo, USB Type-C, yeah, with a cover, lightning cable. You can take it out, yeah, like I showed you just now, and a power button on the left side of the power bank. Okay, right side there's nothing. At the back, you have the input for charging this power bank, USB Type-C, some information, FCC logo, so on, and the kickstand. Bottom, nothing there. Let me just stick to it. Okay. Okay, it works. Thank God, man, it works. As you can see, the LED display is here. 57% left. At the back, this is how you charge the power bank using the USB Type-C. And there's a kickstand here. That's why you say comes portable stand, whatnot. Okay, so you can, oh my. I guess you can use it in a side way. You have to use this stand in this way. So you take it out and you place it like this. Okay, not the other way around. Okay, so this is how you use the stand horizontally. You can watch your video here like this. Vertically, don't. It's not stable enough. Okay, I still stand with my words. This thing is really flimsy. It's very thin. Yeah, it's very soft. You know, it feels like it will break anytime soon, so be careful when you use the stand. If you accidentally push it too hard, this thing will just break. It will definitely break and you snap it into two pieces. Okay, so that's how you use it. As you can see, there's some grip design here, different texture. This part is the glossy finish, and this part is matte. So for you to grab firmly so that you won't slip out of your hand. Nice design. Okay, let me try the lightning cable. Okay, it works. Everything works. Good thing. Yeah, it should be. Right, no problem. It's just that 10 watts, yeah, you have to be very patient of it. When it comes to the charging speed, there's no fast charging, anything. 10 watts, back to 2015, I guess. Yeah, but it works, it's light, it's easy to carry, and so on. Yeah, I guess that's the major selling point of this power bank, mini power bank from Cliptec. So that's about it, guys. Thanks for watching. Remember to give a thumbs up, subscribe, comment down in the comment section below, and let me know what do you think about this. And I will see you in the next video, guys. Goodbye.